ito na yung aking adobong ano. Okay? So, na-fry ko muna. Tapos, saka ko na siya nilagyan siya ng marinate muna. Na-fry ang meat at chicken. After that, pinafry mo siya ng garlic. Then, ito na siya. Guys, marinate tayo. Tapos, bago siya maluto, yun na. Lagyan natin na ng lemon, guys. Lemon. Para masarap. Yes! Diba? Okay. Time to eat na. Oh. So, yummy. Kain na tayo. Okay, guys. Oh. Just put the lemon on it, guys. Kasi more tasty pag may lemon siya. Squeeze the lemon all over the chicken adobo. Yan, that's aking my chicken adobo. Okay? So that's it. We're gonna try to tasting. The potato is already cooked. Okay? Then that's it. That's my version. And chicken is already served. Yes, that's up. Ooh, that's yum. So yummy. Okay? That's it. Dito natin yun. Yeah, that's yummy. Okay? Okay. Yes. That's it. That's it.